In this video, I want to show you how to run kernel density estimation in SAGA GIS. So in SAGA GIS, the first thing is to bring in the data we want to use. However, let me just briefly explain. The kernel density estimations create a continuous density service from points or line data, showing concentration of features by smoothing the distribution with a kernel function. And this has application in analysis like hotspot analysis, risk mapping, and in identifying area of high activity. So to run the kernel density estimation in SAGA GIS, bring in your data by coming to File, click on Open. Navigate to your folder and select your data and click on Open. So this will load in your data to the manager. Then to view your data, double click your data and it will load it at the data view interface. Now we can quickly check the attributes of this data by right clicking the layer, come to attributes and click on show table. So we can see the tables. For the sake of this exercise, I want to use this column called elevation to run the kernel density estimation. So let me close this table. Now to run the kernel density estimation, come to tools, then come to grids, expand it, come to gridding, then here is kernel density estimation. Double click to open the table. So when the table opens, you need to set some parameters, and the first one is the point, which means the point data we want to use. So click here and select your data. Then the population, that is the field you want to use. I'll click here. I'm using the elevation field. Then here, the kernel, you have quartic kernel and Gaussian kernel. So I'm going with the first one, quartic kernel. Then the cell size, you can choose the cell size as deemed fit. So then scroll down and make sure this rounding is checked. Check this box, and then once you are done, click on OK. So this will run and create it. Then to view it, come to data. When you come under data, the result is labeled as 1.data. So to view it here, double click it. You can view it same on the map, or you can view it in a new map. So let's view it on a new map by clicking on OK. So you can see the kernel density map. So it has been created. So you can see the kernel density map. This is how to create kernel density estimation in SAGA GIS. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.